Students, this is problem number 2 in some basic concepts of chemistry in NCERT exemplar, right? So let's read the statement. A measured temperature on Fahrenheit scale is 200 degree Fahrenheit. What will be this reading be on Celsius scale, right? So you are having a Fahrenheit temperature that is 200 degree Fahrenheit and you have to convert this 200 degree Fahrenheit into Celsius, right? For this, we'll see the formula first. So to convert Fahrenheit into Celsius, we are having the formula 9 by 5 degree Celsius plus 32, right? We will use this formula. So we are having the temperature in Fahrenheit. So I'll put the value 200 degree Fahrenheit equal to 9 by 5 degree Celsius plus 32. Now I'll take this 32 on the other side of equal to. So here I am having positive sign. When I'll take this 32 on the other side of equal to, it will change its sign into negative, right? So 200 minus 32 equal to 9 by 5 degree Celsius. 200 minus 32, it will be 168 equal to 9 by 5 degree Celsius. Now I'll take this 9 by 5 on the other side of equal to. So it will be 5 by 9. So 168 into, I'll cross multiply this 5 with 168. So it will be 5 divided by this 9, right? So it will be equal to degree Celsius. That means now I am having temperature in degree Celsius. 168 into 5, it is 840. Now divided by 9. When you divide 840 with 9, the value will be 93.33. That means 200 degree Fahrenheit is equal to 93.3 degree Celsius.